Well, hey there, crafty friends. It's Hannah 10 at the Doodlebug in Jasper, Indiana, and I am coming on here to show you guys a brand new album kit that we have from 49 and Market. This is one of 49 and Market's latest lines. This is a Dennis Bruton line, and it's called Nostalgic Memories. And this album that I'm going to show you is actually designed and taught by Janine. She is the owner and creative director at 49 and Market, and she is absolutely amazing. Her mini books are always so well done, so stunning. I took a little time the other day and put most of my album together. And I'm going to explain to you as we walk through it what I mean by most of my album. So before I go through the kit, let me show you what you're going to get in the kit. This kit uses all new released items. So they did a new line of albums. They're called Create an Album, and this is the triple flip album base. There's also a quad as well, and both of them come in black or white. We have all of them in stock in the store. You can, pick them up a la carte, but you're going to get a triple flip in your class kit. You're also going to get one of the packs of inserts. Again, they've got different inserts and they come in black and white. This one is using assortment number 2. Assortment number 2, whenever we get to the album, you're going to see it has this great flip fold out. There's also all kinds of extra great little pockets that you can create, little waterfalls that you can create as well. You're going to get one of these in your kit. And if nothing else, this kit is a great way to see how to put these albums together, even though it's super easy to put these albums together. You're also going to get from the Nostalgic Memories lines, you're going to get the ephemera and frames. You're going to get a full pack of the 6x8 paper. And then you're also going to get a pack of the laser cut florals. So that is everything that's going to come in your kits. Your kit is $64.99. And with that, we're going to email you. And in that email, you're going to have full color instructions that you can download, and there is a YouTube video where Janine walks you through the album. Friends, for me, that is exactly how I put the album together. I just watched the video. I'm very, very visual. I like having written instructions there, but I love the video because you can follow along. You can pause it whenever you want to, go back to it hours or days later. But I finished this in an afternoon. And again, great little mini album, 6x8 in size, and it does have a nice, strong magnetic clasp here. So we're going to open it up. Now, your blank book itself is going to be kind of this harder chipboard part that you see here. So 1, 2, 3. So there's your triple flip. So that's the base of your book. And then everything on the inside, all of it came out of the assortment number 2. Everything in here. So let's go back to start with the album. So we've got the cover of the album. We're going to open that album up. Over here, you're going to create this fun little flip here. And again, this all came out of that assortment number 2. It flips open again. You're going to learn how to add some waterfalls in here. Look how great these are. Look at all the opportunities for pictures too. All the pictures that you can put in here, journaling that you can put in here. Right here we've got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And that's just if you're doing 4x6s. So you've got all kinds of great opportunities to add pictures, but wait. So this flips down. You can put 2 more there. Closes up, and I'm trying to think if it flipped. Oh yes, it flips one more time. So once you kind of close it, look, you've got another flip here as well. Another photo here. Now, as I said, I completed most of my album. I like to leave a lot of the pages that use the smaller frames blank. And then that way, once I finally have picked out my pictures and I know what theme I'm going to do with this, then that way I can add all of those in there. So I'm going to close this layer here back up. So there is kind of fold 1 in our trio. Then we open it up. We've got our middle section here. Middle section's got some great little flip aparts. So more opportunities for more pictures. And then our last in our trio, again, this one came out of that assortment, and look how great it is. Look how it flips here. We're going to flip open this way. We're going to flip open this way. All kinds of opportunities for all kinds of pictures in here. And a lot of these had a lot of the smaller frames in the completed album. Again, I chose to leave mine blank until I figured out what pictures I want to use, because I may want to put a 5x7 on here. Maybe I want to do 4x6s over here. Maybe I want a journal over here. So the base of my album is completely done and all ready to go. And then that is the last layer on there. But as you flip it, of course, you've got the back there as well. And then it all closes up in that nice, strong magnet there. So how fun is that? Again, this is a class kit that we have available at the Doodlebug. It is using the newest line from 49 and Market. That line is called Nostalgic Memories. So this is our Nostalgic Memories 6x8 mini album. Whenever you purchase your class kit, you will get a link. We will send you an email, and that's going to have a link for your instructions, and it's also going to have a YouTube video link where Janine is going to take you through putting this album together. So if any questions or comments, you can always post them below. You can also message us, and you can also find this album ready to go online at www.thedoodlebuginc.com. Thanks, everybody.